What is up, guys? It's your boy No Risk, No Premium, back with another episode of the market overview, guys. Today we finally had well, some would quote unquote say our red day. OPEX week is always good for at least one red down day. If you guys don't know what OPEX is, it's a monthly options expirations third Friday of every month. Typically it's where all the big boys are going to be moving and getting out of their position, buying new position, buying new monthly contracts and quarterly contracts, whatever it might be. So we have lots of big buying and selling on this options chain, all expiring on Fridays throughout the week. Usually all the exiting and entering of all those positions happens. Usually are good for one big red down day. But today, I mean, we really went down, 25 points on ES or so. It's like half of percent red day, whatever is today the day that's the red day. Do we bounce tomorrow? I have no idea. As far as what's going on in the morning, big nothing burger. Really have nothing coming out in the morning tomorrow. Really nice. No, no pre-market data. We have no University of Michigan data, no consumer sentiment index data, 30 minutes in that we usually have. So tomorrow, really nice. Not really much to worry about as far as the morning is concerned. So, once the market's open, you really have no cause for concern to, be extra cautious, if you will. So tomorrow, what are we going to do? We drew our little box in here, right? We had some resistance into this area. This looks like some demand that got created. So, hey, 45.50, still going to watch for 45.50. We got down to 45.60 and bounced pretty nicely, about 10 points from there. So 45.60, see if it holds overnight, see if we get a long wick down, see something that happens. If that holds, that'll be my trigger to go long. Underneath 45.45 right here, underneath 45.45, 45.25, 45.09 below there, both those spots I would look to take some longs. As long as we hold this 45.50 to 45.55 though, tomorrow I think we should get a rotation right on back up. Maybe 4600s in the cards. I don't know. We'll see. SPY guy, what's going on with SPY? S&P 500 is cash ETF here. As you can see, very similar down to this 45.50 area on the ES chart. This was what we had highlighted. We wanted to see if we could get that 450.50 to 451 bounce. I think the low was 451.50. So same thing tomorrow here on the SPY chart. I want to see if this 450.50 to 451 is going to hold for a bounce. If not, 448.50. 448.50 under there. I like 444 as a long too. We do have this gap to fill down here as well. Big gap filled down. So 448.50 if that's under 450, and 444. I like both those levels for bounces as well. Q's have more of a red down day today. Absolutely did. The Q's ended up being down 2% or something like that. Whoa. Ended up being down 2% here. So where do we get to though? We got underneath that 378. Remember we said under 378, definitely want to look to have the short because we're going to go down another 4 points or so from there. We got down to 375. So tomorrow I'll be looking at this area in here, 374 or 372. If you zoom out just a tad, right, you can see this 372 area. I really like 372, 373, right? Multiple touches to the top side here. Let's see if we get the back test down here, but we do have some demand out of that morning. We had last Thursday, right, when zippity doo up here, got underneath it here. So watch 374. 374 breaks 372. 372 to the upside, both those levels, 374, 372. If we get back above 378, rotation to 380 and 386 above there. IWM, last one. Redhead stepchild of the market, but has been the strongest, finally pulling back, though. We remember this balance zone we were hitting from basically 189 to 180 right here, right? We've came down and back tested and just kept ripping on up. So tomorrow, let's see. I think it's 193.50 right here. 193.50. Do we get this back test, right? Do we get this back test of this area? This is what I want to be watching for. Whoa. I'd be looking for the back test right here. Just maybe a dip down and then rip. Have to come up and take out 197 to the upside. Is going to open up 199 and then 203 above there. But watch for this 193.50. If we get underneath 193.50 or call it 193, which would be about this low here from Tuesday, it could definitely come down to open up this 190 area, 191, 190 area, all the way down to 189. I think 189 touch would definitely be a long. You could look for the long here at 190, but I think 189 would be a safer long area underneath 193.50. Guys, other than that, that's all I got. You got to wake up early, get your levels right, and of course, not do anything fucking stupid. We'll see you bright and early. Peace.